Hello everyone, my name is
Hi,
Chanchal and
myself
I'm really happy to
Dishrelwani.
share
I
my
have
experience
completed
with
my
the Unified Mentor.
internship with
The
Unified
overall
Mentor
learning
as a
journey
full
was very
stack web
smooth and
development
well
intern.
structured.
It was a
The
great
mentor
learning
explained
experience.
every
I got
concept
to
in a
work on
clear
the
and
projects
practical way,
like
which made it
weather
easy to
app, which
understand
uses
and
API
apply in
integration, or
real life
student teacher
scenarios.
booking
What I liked
appointments,
the most
which
was the
also uses
supportive
Firebase and
environment.
Cloud Firestore.
Whenever I
I
had
had
doubts, the
such
mentors
a
were
great
always
time working on
available
this
to
project,
guide
which
and motivate me.
makes
This
my
really
knowledge
helped me improve
or
my
my theoretical
confidence and
knowledge worked
skills.
into the
The tasks
practical
and
ones.
projects were
It
very helpful
improved
in
my
building
skills in
practical knowledge,
HTML,
not
CSS,
just theoretical
JavaScript,
understanding. I
and
genuinely
also
feel
I
more
happened to
confident
learn
about
new
my
skills
skills
like
after
React,
completing this
Node,
program. I would
and Firebase
definitely
as well.
recommend the Unified Mentor
I had
to
such a great
anyone
time.
who wants
Overall,
proper
the
guidance, hands
mentors
on
in
learning, and
Unified
real
Mentor are
growth in
so
their
supportive.
career.
Any doubts can
Thank
be
you,
solved
Unified
if I
Mentor, for
message them
giving
or
me
call
this
them in
amazing
any time,
opportunity.
which was a great thing which makes every task easier.
Hello everyone,
Thank
my
you,
name is
Unified
Chanchal and
Mentor,
I'm
for
really happy
giving me
to
this
share my
opportunity, and I'll
experience with the
recommend to all
Unified
the
Mentor.
students to gain
The
the
overall
work
learning journey was
experience
very
and the
smooth and
real
well
life
structured.
experience through
The
this.
mentor
Thank you.
explained